portfolio calculator has been updated through January the 24th, 2024. That is yesterday's trade. It also includes the latest V reversal strategies. I'm going to show you where those are, how to test those in the current portfolios. So we scroll down to the Nasdaq strategies, E-mini Nasdaq, and you can see the V reversal strategies are right here. V reversal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can adjust, you can save this portfolio calculator as another file and add contracts or change the number of contracts. You can also do it under this column for the stock index portfolio 27, column R1. If you select, say for example, the stock index portfolio 27 right here, you can see where it's at. 64.75 is the latest. Is the total profit over drawdown number. Let's go down and look at the drawdown curve. Here is the drawdown curve. It breached that a little bit, so we're looking for a bounce here and to adjust it. But also one of the things that you can do to also work on this, the risk to worst case drawdown is something that needs to be measured. The risk to worst case drawdown is only 3K, and so you can wait for that bounce, or you can come in here and you can add these strategies. V reversal 1 and 4 are some of the best ones to add. So if you put this one right here, it shows up over here. If you put V reversal 4 right here, it also is added, and this number goes up to 6908. Your risk to worst case drawdown is 9500. Let's look at the worst case drawdown again, and you can see that it's fairly similar to the past, and so we want to adjust this portfolio once it makes a worst case drawdown on a bounce, and so we're looking to do that. But these V reversals are some of the strategies that can be traded. You can test a portfolio of V reversal strategies as well, and any combination of these strategies using this methodology. You can also see the 250K portfolio managed accounts, 250K portfolio beta. It started on January the 14th is when, released it late on a Friday, January the 12th, and Sunday is January the 14th, and so 15th was the Monday that it was started tracking. You can also test that by going down here to the same location and putting those two values in this column right here to see what it would look like. It drops the total profit over drawdown a little bit historically. It goes from about 12,000 to 11,599. This worst case drawdown increases by about 2,000, but the recent performance is much better. If you look at the total profit over drawdown since 2020, it's better, and so we may. I'm going to see where these numbers are on an end-of-day basis each day, and measure it based also on the risk to worst case drawdown. So if the risk to worst case drawdown is lower, adding the V reversals, we want to do that. And so that is what I am looking at. And additional counter trend methodologies for this very, very low VIX environment that we continue to have. It's starting to creep higher a little bit, but not enough to say that it's breaking out. And so let me show you where you can get this portfolio calculator. This is a resource on our website. You can get it under Market Portfolios, Portfolio Calculator. Click on this link that requires Excel. It includes all of our trading systems included in this portfolio. So you can download it and you can customize it by selecting which strategies you would want to trade and determining the best combination, or used one of our preset combinations from the drop-down menu. Once you start typing in here, it changes the formulation, so the drop-down menu would not work if you started customizing it in here. So you could re-download it or save this as another file. And so keep that in mind. The drop-down menu works as long as you don't type in a bunch of different numbers in here, because there are formulas you can see in here that the drop-down menus depend on. So that is what I wanted to share with you in this video, how this portfolio calculator is updated through yesterday's trade, end-of-day combined equity analysis for portfolios and individual trading systems on January the 24th, 2024. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies and coding tips.